What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're going to take a look at, obviously, we're always going to have to take a look at Bitcoin to see what's going on. It looks like we have some green going on there. Are we off our lows? Are we off of the local sideways movement? I don't think so, but we're going to take a look at the charts. Also, we're going to take a look at 4 cryptos that are, I believe, that are going to do well in the next bull run and are in really good buying areas. That one is those are Veracity, Landshare, Synverse, Rio. I'm also going to do a follow-up on the video that I did yesterday regarding Alaska Gold Rush, ticker Carat. All right, let you know what's in circulation, and we're going to look at the potential that it could have. Yeah, if it hits 100x, the price and all that stuff. Right, and I'll let you know that we'll take a look at the chart of another crypto that I've been buying, that I bought today. I only bought 2. Alaska Gold Rush, which is Carat, and Creo, both gaming plays. We're going to look at those charts. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, so really quickly, let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, yesterday and today, 2 green days. I guess we did finish yesterday up a little bit, right? So it's basically, we are just playing with this line, just slightly below it, not really touching it per se. And right now it looks like there is a lot of buying going on, because we can see 3 wicks in a row of below basically 41,442. People have stepped in once that price got below there. Once that price got below 41,200, and people started buying. That's why you see these wicks up. So there is strength here. There are people that still probably want to get into crypto. And remember, guys, there's going to be a ton of money flooding in when that ETF gets approved. Not if, when. All right, it's just a matter of time. Today we're going to see what later today what Jerome Powell says regarding the Federal Reserve, their stance and all that. So that's going to be interesting. Maybe it could move the market, but maybe not. Let's see what happens there. All right, so let's get to. So that's Bitcoin. Things are looking pretty good. So now let's get to opportunities, because we're looking for 100x gains, right? We're looking for opportunities to get into projects that perhaps can do that for us. All right. So these are. I was looking at my list, and I was looking at plays that I think are in good projects that are in good buying opportunities, right? So the first one is Veracity. Veracity had a hell of a drop right here, right? 3 days ago on the 11th of December, it dropped a lot, right? It dropped all the way down to 0.0057. Still above my average, or else I would have bought, right? But I'm just happy with the bag that I got. Was my average 0.0044. So I didn't buy. But if I were still in the market, right, and if I didn't have the bag that I have, I would be buying at these levels, because it's essentially at this ascending line, guys. All right, and it's spent a couple of days here. So maybe it continues to do that, move sideways around these levels, which would give you great buying opportunities before the next leg up, which would be probably to a penny, right? 0.01 right here, a penny. All right, from those levels, what kind of move? So let's say you bought around here, and you had a good average buy right around there. That would be a 40% gain once it moves up for the next leg up. And I don't think it's just gonna stay at a penny, guys. Eventually it's gonna go a lot higher. But even just buying from these levels and it gets to a penny, that's a 40% gain, guys. All right, so that's Veracity, really good juicy buying opportunity. The other one is Landshare. All right, after a nice move, we are seeing good amount of consolidation, essentially between $2 and $1.42. Maybe this holds, right? It looks like it did try to get down here to $1.24, but then as you can see, it got bought up right here. Boom, bought up, boom, bought up, boom, and now we are above this right here, holding support. Pretty steady. Body closes here. The way Bitcoin looks, right, because a couple of green days, it looks like maybe we do spend some more time consolidating before altcoins start to move up. Let's look at really quickly total 3. Yeah, same thing. Look at this. A lot of wicks here, right? A lot of buying. This is total 3, excluding Bitcoin, market cap of the altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as you can see, we are bullish now. Maybe a little after this move, a little sideways before possibly, in my opinion, the next leg up. All right, so back to land share, $1.44, pretty good buying area, guys. All right, maybe this is where we base out before the next move up. Where can I see us move up? Well, we got to get past through this $2, right? $2 is a psychological number. Once we get past through that, and we get then I guess the next area is around 217. All right, so we got to get past all that. But once we get past that, guys, it's pretty much clear sky. So after 217, it's pretty clear. We just got to get, you know, maybe a little bit of resistance in the threes, psychological $3 range, $4 range, but pretty much after that, guys, after this 217, I could see us going pretty strong towards this new all-time high. All right, so that's a land share. The next one, let's do Rio as well, because it's right here. 62 cents. After this huge run up, right, we are seeing some good consolidation. This is my 71 cents is my, I have a trading position. It's there, so I'm underwater there. No biggie, no big deal. Eventually we will go back up. So consolidation, just sideways movement. Essentially we're in a range between, I'm gonna say right here, between 76 cents and more or less 59 cents. So you're at the bottom of this current local range. All right, 62 cents is where we're at right now, and I don't know if we come lower than that, really. Right, the lowest has been in the last, I don't know, the lowest has been on December 4th was 54 cents, basically 54 cents, and we're at 62 cents. Do we get back into the 50s? Maybe, but you have to be really watching the charts and catching the wicks to get into the 50s for now, as far as I can see it. All right, so this is a good area for Rio, and Rio is gonna move up. After this, I see the next area of resistance at $1.07, and if we can make it past that and into this channel, then we'd probably try to go up to as high as $1.52. What type of gains would that be from current levels? From current levels, right? If you were buying 61 cents, that would, and it got to $1.51, that would be 145% gains. All right, so pretty juicy, and we're definitely gonna. I have a lot of conviction in Rio to get up there eventually. Once we do this consolidation, the move is going to be, my bias is going to be that the move is going to be towards the upside. Now, Sinverse, right? This is my trading, my buy price from my trading position. All right, so I'm underwater right now. Sinverse, since it did this 6x, right, it has essentially done this consolidated pretty much in this little triangle right here, except for today where it's underneath it, 0.1327, which is a really good buy. Right now, I would think this is a fake out. I don't know if it goes much lower than this, simply because the market looks pretty green. All right, so maybe we are kind of starting to move upwards, and so I right now, this is like a perfect buy, because I think it's going to come right back into this little triangle, right? This essentially a bullish pennant, right? A pennant, and eventually a bullish pennant generally breaks towards the upside. Now, that's not a guarantee, because nothing is a guarantee, but if in fact that is the case, right? The measured move from here, after, if it breaks out, would be to 13 cents. And remember, right now we're at 0.01. We're at a penny, right? So that would be a gain of what? Let's see, from here to where I think it's gonna go. That's a 9x, all right? That's a 9x, and this bullish pennant, it's just looking like it's coiling, getting ready for a next big leg up. All right, so that's pretty cool. Now, this trading position that I have, I traded in VeChain to buy in here, and this has gone against me. And look at what VeChain has done. I sold at like 22, right around here, 0.022. Look at that move, 0.022. Let's say 35% move, as high as 41%. I'd be up 41%, but instead I am down on my trading position. But it's a sizable position, to be honest, because I sold like almost 500,000 VeChain. Oh wait, from here I am down. Instead of being up 48% on that, I am down 27%. Not bad. But eventually, I think VeChain is going to catch up and exceed what I mean. I'm sorry. Sinverse is going to catch up and exceed what VeChain does. Guys, this is a awesome gaming play. Sinverse. I'm a huge fan. obviously because I have put more money here on this trading position, but I have more exposure. I have a nice hodl bag, which I made a killing on that one. This one eventually will be positive. So right now, this is a huge opportunity. This is, to me, looks extremely bullish, this little pennant right here, okay? But because again, it's a bullish pattern. After this move, it's going to consolidate like it has, boom, 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 and eventually it's going to just rip up here. If this is in fact a pennant, and it does what generally this structure does, which is move up to here, 13 cents, guys. Hey, you heard it here first. All right, so those are the juicy plays right now. All right, although there are other ones if you look, but I was looking through mine, and those are the ones. Those four are the ones that I'm like, wow, okay, these are some good opportunities. And now, yesterday I made mention of this Alaska Gold Rush, ticker Carrot. All right, it's a gaming play. Go watch the video. It looks pretty awesome. And I needed to know more regarding the tokenomics. So the tokenomics essentially, let's take a look at Carrot really quick. No, actually, you know what? Let's look at this CoinGecko. Let's look at CoinGecko. CoinMarketCap needs to get its act together regarding its information, because it's very off-putting to not. What the heck? It's very off-putting to get the wrong information on CoinMarketCap. It could mess up our decision making. I don't like that. All right, so right here, Alaska Gold Rush, it's at a penny, right? Market cap 3 million, fully diluted 12 billion. Total supply 936 million, and circulating supply 237. All right, so that's current circulating supply. Now, what I care about is what's going to be the amount at around 2025, more or less, when the bull run's going to hit. So I know exactly what I'm dealing with, right? So about 75% is going to be in circulation. All right, so this number is going to go up around 75% of total supply. All right, so that's what's going to be in circulation, and so that's what I did here. All right, I put that number in. 75%, so roughly 702.3 million carrot, which would be 75%. So that's what we know, what we're dealing with. That's what's going to be the number at that time, 2025. And so knowing that, I can get an idea. These projects, especially a AAA rated game, I would assume, I'm going to guess, could probably do between 1 and 5 billion. All right, so 1 billion, if it gets to a market cap of 1 billion with 75% in circulation, you're looking at a 110x. A 110x your money. So 1,000, you'd get $110,000 for a price of, remember, current price is at a penny, for $1.48. $1.48, not bad. And maybe it gets to 5 million. What would 5 billion? What would 5 billion be? 562x for a price of $7.53. All right, so that's more or less what I think could happen there, and I wanted to just give you an idea of what the circulating supply will be at that time. That's important. That's what you got to know, what the dilution is, the tokenomics, and now you know. All right, so that's the follow up to Alaska Gold Rush. Looks really good, guys. For example, Shrapnel, because of the bad dilution, it won't get to a 500x. Even if it gets to like a 5 billion market cap, it's going to be a whole lot less. So just something to know. All right, and the other thing that I bought, and the other token that I bought, was Creo. Let's take a look at that. That is also a gaming play. Creo engine looks really good. And I have been accumulating, and I did end up buying, after I found out that information, I did end up opening positions in Carrot, my first few positions, and I actually bought today as well. So yesterday and today I've been buying, accumulating, get a nice little bag of it, and then just hodl that bad boy. And Creo's right here. All right, this is my average buy right here, 0.013. I'm underwater. I actually bought today because it's consolidating. I don't think we're going to come down here. I'm probably going to stay around this zone, 0.011. Right, maybe a little lower if we get lucky, 0.008. That's cool. I would take it, and I would buy some more, because eventually, after it consolidates, the next move is gonna be upwards. All right, guys. So that's that. We are in buy the dip territory, Finally, a good couple of green days. Let's see what happens with the Federal Reserve. Let's see if that moves the markets. I'll let you guys know tomorrow regarding that. VRA, Landshare, Synverse, and Relio. Veracity, Landshare, Synverse, and Relio all look very juicy. I also bought Carrot, Alaska Gold Rush, which the tokenomics are not bad at all. We already know now 75% of the total supply is going to be in circulation around 2025. So now you can make better decisions. And I also bought Creo Engine. Carrot and Creo are both gaming plays, and I think gaming is going to do it really well. Guys, that's it. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. It would be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to grow this channel. All right. We will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Peace.